Oh, I gotta do something about this. This pile, it's looking a little under the weather. Maybe if we warm it up a little bit. Nice fish. Well, it's warm. Hey, Nels, about the hat. The reason for the hat. I used to wear baseball hats all the time until I got this. Well, this one here, see, it's got this string that holds it on for when you're on the quad. And it's got this flappy thing here. It covers the back of my neck so I don't get sunburns, and people won't call me a redneck anymore because I'm a hillbilly. So it's back to this again today. My pile didn't quite burn, but yeah, most of it's burnt. Okay, so just a bit left there. I'm gonna have to push it off to the side and take care of it in the spring, because I have to have it fairly debris free to plow. And right over there is where I'm going to be putting a huge snow pile. So I'm going to smooth that out a little bit, get rid of my pile here, just get it ready for in case it snows. Never know when it's going to snow around here. Okay, you probably can't notice it, but I can't go down too far down the driveway, otherwise the machine will end up down there and it won't want to come back up the hill. Okay, there's just a few sticks left in that pile right there. I'll pull them out in the spring, but you might not be able to notice, but it's still smoldering a little bit, so I didn't want to push it right over the bank. So I'll just, in the springtime or a couple of days from now, I'll pull those sticks out and then I'll get the rest of it leveled off. Need all the space I can get once it gets lots of snow, so there's going to be a huge pile of snow right there, most likely. So I burnt this pile a little bit late in the season, well, quite a bit late. That's why it was a pain. It should have been burned, and it probably should have taken 4 hours tops to burn that stuff down to dust, but what it was just a lot of, it was all green trees and dead trees. The dead ones were like sponges, they were just soaking wet, and the green ones were green, so that it would burn, and it would burn a hole in the center, and then it would just go out unless you were there to keep putting wood on it. And so it wasn't the epic huge fire I wanted it to be. But, well, it's gone now, so mission accomplished. Now I'm wondering if I should cover this dirt over with snow. I'm wondering if I can even. Or just wait till it snows another day or two.
Okay, I kind of covered it. Kind of made it look a little more snowy. I think it's going to snow tonight by the looks of those clouds.